Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Kids, today I'm telling you 10 basic hygiene. Brushing your teeth. Wash your hands. Wearing clean dress. Take a bath daily. Cut your nails every week. Throw garbage in a dustbin. Keep your room clean. Flush toilet after every use. Wash your hair. Keep clean your nose and ears. Thanks for watching kids. Please subscribe.